finished doing the fencing here, so the animals will be much in a much secured place, much secured area than. Oh, let me come again. We just finished doing the fencing. I think this is the 25 by 25 because we use the 100 meters raw game wire. So we have changed where the pigs will be staying. We've moved them from a traditional farm setup of a piggery. So we've made a much more improved space where they'll be moving around. At least they have this 25 by 25. So they even have some grasses down here. As you can see, they can cabbage, they eat grass. They are good grazers. Actually, even this side, we've just made a sun shelter also from the lens. That's a simple one. But we like this setup here. At least here, there's a lot of rocks here. So this space won't be getting muddy. So when it rains, they'll be now in a much cleaner place because this won't be getting so muddy because these are rocks, if you can see. And we'll let them remove all this soil from the rocks here. And if you can see this, the big guy there is doing some mess up with the water trough. Yeah, he likes doing that. So this is the whole setup too. We wanted to share with you after we're done. So here on top, we advise we even put some grass. We advise the owner we put some grass on top here so that at least it will help this tent not to fade out very fast. So, but at least this is a thicker tent, it cannot collapse easily. So that's all we wanted to show you.